Hello, in front of me I've got a Nissan Leaf. In this video I'll tell you about hidden features and best equipment of this car. Let's start with the B driving mode, which increases regenerative braking, allowing for stronger deceleration while driving downhills. Next, we've got scheduled climate control with preheat or cool the cabin while plugged in. Next, we've got one pedal driving, available through the e-pedal button, great for stop and go traffic. Next, we've got hidden diagnostics menu, access via dashboard controls used mostly by techs. For best equipment, we've got Pro Pilot Assist for SL trim, heated seats and steering wheel, Bose 7-speaker premium sound system, navigation, plus Apple CarPlay Android Auto systems. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.